Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. I just got my morning coffee and I am feeling great today.
That is wonderful to hear, Paul. I actually had a very nice morning, too.
Oh, really? Did something special happen?
Not really special, but I had a lovely little chat with a stranger at the bus stop.
Ah, I love those little moments. What did you talk about?
Just the weather and her beautiful coat. We spoke for maybe 2 minutes, but it made me smile.
That is exactly what we call small talk, and it is so important, right?
Exactly. That is our topic today. We are going to talk about small talk in English.
So, what is small talk exactly? For our listeners who might not know.
Small talk is a light, casual conversation. We use it with people we don't know very well.
Right. It is friendly and polite. You don't talk about deep or heavy things.
Yep, you keep it simple. It's a way to break the ice and say, hey, I'm friendly.
I use small talk all the time, at the supermarket, in the elevator, or at work.
Me too. But I know it can feel scary for English learners.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's hard to know what to say or what topics are safe.
That is why we are here to help. Let's start with the easiest topic of all.
I bet I know what it is. Is it the weather?
You guessed it. The weather is the king of small talk.
It is perfect because everyone experiences the weather. It's a shared experience.
Exactly. If it's a beautiful day, you can just say, beautiful day today, isn't it?
And the other person will usually agree. They might say, yes, it's gorgeous.
But what if the weather is bad? Can you still use it for small talk?
Oh, for sure. Complaining about the rain is a classic small talk move.
It really is. You can say, I can't believe this rain. Stay dry out there.
Yeah, or it's so cold today. I need another coffee.
That is a great one. It's natural and easy to reply to.
What is another good topic, Emily, besides the weather?
The weekend is always a safe bet. People love talking about their days off.
True. On a Monday, you can ask, did you have a good weekend?
And on a Friday, you can ask, any fun plans for the weekend?
But what if they say no? What if they just say no plans?
That is okay. You can just say, oh, a quiet weekend sounds nice. Sometimes we just need to rest.
That is a perfect response. It is warm and polite.
Let's take a quick pause here. If you are enjoying this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and share this video with a friend who is practicing English. We love growing this community.
And leave us a comment below. What is your favorite small talk topic? Tell us your thoughts.
I can't wait to read those comments. Okay, back to small talk.
So we have the weather and the weekend. What about compliments?
Oh, giving a compliment is a fantastic way to start a conversation.
I totally agree. If you see someone wearing a nice shirt, just tell them.
Yes, you can say, I love your shirt. The color is great.
People love hearing nice things. It instantly makes them smile.
But you have to be careful, right? You shouldn't compliment everything.
Good point, Paul. Stick to safe things like clothes, shoes, or a nice bag.
Yeah, commenting on someone's body or weight is a big mistake.
Absolutely. That is not small talk. That is too personal.
Speaking of personal things, what other topics should we avoid?
Money is a big one. Never ask how much money someone makes or how much something costs.
Right. And politics is also bad ideas for small talk.
Exactly. Small talk should be light and easy. No arguments.
Keep it positive. People want to feel good when they chat with you.
So, Paul, what happens when someone asks you a small talk question? How do you keep the conversation going?
That is a great question. You have to use active listening.
Yes, active listening means showing the person that you are interested.
You can use short phrases like, oh, really? Or, that sounds fun.
Or simply, me too. Or, I know, right?
Those little phrases are so natural. Americans use them all the time.
They really do. It shows you are paying attention to the story.
But you also need to ask a return question, right?
Exactly. If someone asks about your weekend, you answer and then ask about theirs.
You just say, it was good, thanks. How about you?
How about you is the magic phrase for small talk. It passes the ball back to them.
It keeps the game going. Small talk is like playing tennis.
That is a perfect comparison, Paul. You hit the ball back and forth.
Yes. Sometimes playing that game in a new language feels exhausting.
I completely understand. It takes a lot of brain power to listen and speak at the same time.
That is why practicing out loud is so helpful.
And if you need a safe place to practice, you should try Mr. English AI.
Oh, I love Mr. English AI. It is such a smart tool for learners.
It really is. It is an AI assistant that you can chat with anytime you want.
You can practice making small talk with it, and it will help you improve.
It is completely stress-free. The link to try Mr. English AI is right down in the video description.
Definitely check it out. It is a game changer for your confidence.
Okay, so we know how to start small talk and keep it going, but how do we stop?
Oh, ending the conversation can be the hardest part.
It really can. You don't want to just walk away in silence.
No, that would be rude. You need a polite exit phrase.
A great one is, well, I should let you go.
That is very common. It sounds like you're doing them a favor.
Exactly. Or you can say, I need to get back to work.
If you are at a party, you can say, I'm going to grab another drink.
Then you finish with something warm, like, it was so nice talking to you.
And they will say, you too. Have a great day.
It is that simple. You just smile, say your phrase, and walk away.
Should we practice this? I think a little role play would be great here.
I love that idea. Let's jump into a quick practice scenario so everyone can hear how it sounds.
Awesome. Where are we in this story?
Let's say we are neighbors. We meet outside while checking the mail.
Perfect. I'll start. Hey, Emily. How's it going?
Hi, Paul. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad at all. Beautiful day out here, isn't it?
It really is. I love this sunshine. It is finally warming up.
Oh, yeah, definitely. By the way, I love your new garden flowers. They look great.
Thank you so much. I planted them over the weekend.
That sounds like a nice weekend project.
It was. Well, I should get back inside. I have some cooking to do.
Sounds good. It was nice chatting with you, Emily.
You too, Paul. Have a great evening.
See? That was so easy and natural.
You hit all the points. Weather, a compliment, and a polite exit.
And we used a lot of those little reaction words. Oh yeah, definitely.
It makes the conversation feel warm. That is the true secret of small talk.
Do you think small talk changes depending on where you are?
That is a really interesting question. Yes, I think it does a little bit.
Like small talk at the office is different from small talk at a party.
Exactly. At the office, you might talk about the coffee machine or a big meeting.
But you still keep it light. You don't complain about the boss.
No, never complain about the boss during small talk.
At a party, small talk is usually about the food or how you know the host.
Right. You can say, this pizza is amazing. Have you tried it?
Or, so how do you know Sarah?
Those are perfect icebreakers. They are safe and friendly.
What about in an elevator? Elevator small talk is always so brief.
Elevator chats are very short. Just a quick good morning and maybe a comment on the weather.
Sometimes an elevator is just quiet, and that is okay too.
Yes. Don't force it. If the person is looking at their phone, just let them be.
Body language is important. You have to read the room.
If they make eye contact and smile, that is an invitation to chat.
If they look down and wear headphones, maybe just wave.
Exactly. Respect their space. Small talk should never feel forced.
I think a lot of learners worry about grammar mistakes during small talk.
That is very common. People freeze because they want to speak perfectly.
But here's a secret. Native speakers make mistakes all the time.
We really do. We mix up words, we pause, we restart our sentences.
During small talk, no one is checking your grammar.
They are just focusing on your smile and your friendly energy.
If you say he don't instead of he doesn't, the conversation will still be totally fine.
Absolutely. Connection is much more important than perfection.
So, the best advice is just to relax and be friendly?
Yes. Take a deep breath, smile, and just say hello.
The more you practice, the easier it gets. I promise.
You will start to notice the same phrases being used everywhere.
You will hear, "How was your weekend?" 1,000,000 times.
And you will be ready to answer it perfectly.
Emily, before we finish, do you have any final small talk tips?
My biggest tip is to be curious about the other person.
Oh, I like that. Ask questions and actually listen to the answer.
Exactly. If you show real interest, people will love talking to you.
That is great advice for English learners and just for life in general.
Thank you. I think so too. We all just want to feel heard.
Well, this has been a really fun topic today. I feel very chatty now.
Me too. But it is time for us to wrap up the episode.
Don't forget to practice your small talk this week, everyone.
Even just saying, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" is a great start.
And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.
It really helps us out. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
See you next time, everybody. Keep practicing.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.